Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Hey Shankran, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Shannon Nichols. In today's video, I'm literally going to be doing the most inexpensive feminine hygiene product haul for 2021. And let me get right into it. First, I do want to talk to you guys about like my little secret that I've been doing. So, as you know, we all get those tough months where we like, oh my god, I want to smell nice, but like the coin isn't there. So I have the solution for you. So, as you know, this is the Dove brand and it is a little bit more on the expensive side, especially for something like this. If I'm not mistaken, I think this cost about around 60 Rand. And your girl has found something that is working for her skin. Loving it. So let's be clear on this bottle of Oh So Heavenly. This product is amazing. One of my friends actually plugged me with this. Her name is Michelle Jacobs. You can also find her on YouTube. She also does beauty product hauls and things like that. She's pretty cool. She has a lot of advice on products and what is good for you. So go check out her channel as well. But then this is the beauty of it all. Like, this is literally foam bath cream. And the consistency of this is literally like a gel. So basically you can use it as a body wash. So what your girl is doing, she takes this bottle and then puts this into this bottle. So guess what? Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Oh my word, like, you guys should smell this actually. Like, if you do go into Clicks again, go check out this is around about 80 Rand, and I mean, like, this is 2 liter compared to a 500 ml. So like, pick your choice, and it smells just as great. That's my little secret. And it's also like very, very inexpensive, hence it being a 2 liter for 80 Rand and 500 ml for 60 Rand, 70 Rand, I think. That's one little thing. So how do I stay smelling fresh using not the most expensive brands on the market? I ensure that after my wash, I do however go in with the bar of soap, and this is the Dove coconut milk soap. This is about like 14 Rand. I'll link all the products in the description if you want to go check them out or buy them. And I don't want to forget to tell you guys that when I do use my Dove soap, I have to use my exfoliating glove. Like, whenever I use bar soap, I need to use an exfoliating glove, because that way like the scent stays on your skin and like you get the good like clean like out of it as well. And this one wasn't expensive. It's not as expensive as the ones at Clicks. This one I did get from Pep stores. If you're from South Africa, you will know. So I just got these, but I'm sure you can get it wherever you are from as well. Very inexpensive. And so since that we're out of the shower now, obviously we need to moisturize. It's a must. For every shower you have to moisturize after. And what I have for that is this lotion. I don't know, what do you call this squeezy like container thing, but this is the Glam Goddess, also from the Oh So Heavenly brand. This smells amazing, and it does have shimmer. And when you were younger, you always wanted stuff with glitter, and this has that in it, but it's not like your second grade glitter that you find in skincare products. This one is very gentle, yet you can still see the shine. So that's what I love about this one. If I'm not mistaken, I will link this product in the description. And I think this was around this one is quite on the expensive side, because it has the shiny glitter, and like, it's very nice. Like, it smells great, so you'll smell great all day, believe me when I tell you this. This one is, I think, 70 or 80 Rand, somewhere around there, but it's still very inexpensive to smell this good. And then moving on to the next product is obviously your must-have roll-on. And for this video, I decided to go with the Nivea, because not only is it not that expensive compared to like a speed stick, like this one is very inexpensive, and it will last you all day. So you just have to find the right Nivea for you, but like, it's a very good product to use, and it protects you like it says it does. Love this antiperspirant. On to the last product. This video is extremely short. I didn't want to keep it too long because it's literally like the most inexpensive video, so it shouldn't have to cost you much and wouldn't have to be that long, because you're not going to spend like thousands of rands on a skincare that should be like quick and easy, you know, because I mean it's not even expensive. So moving on to the last product in this video is the Lenteric Kaleidoscope I Love Vanilla. This has a warm, rich scent, so like I'm out here smelling like a rich auntie type vibe, so like giving you your auntie, serving what it must. And that is literally it. The most inexpensive feminine hygiene haul. All these products that I mentioned in this video does smell extremely feminine, so like it will boost like your confidence. You will be walking like, you know, because it has that girly scent and it smells extremely nice. Like you can wear this product on date nights if you wanted to. And then basically that is it for my inexpensive skincare video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like this video and then leave me a comment telling me which product you have used or are you like most intrigued by and might probably buy it. That is the end of the video. Thank you guys. I just want to say thank you so much to everybody that's been watching me, supporting my videos and watching them from start to finish. You guys mean so much to me. And then that's the end of the video, guys. Love you. Bye.